Hi everyone, get ready for an electrifying experience because we are bringing you the 7-day online workshop on basic electronics, components, and circuits. Led by myself, Saksham Shukla, an expert in industrial consultancy, IoT, Arduino, and Mechatronics. This workshop is your ticket to hands on learning. From December 15th, 2023, join us for a week long exploration into the fascinating world of electronics. Whether you are a total beginner or already have some know how, this workshop is tailored just for you school students. We have got exciting hands on projects, circuit building, troubleshooting tips, and even Arduino programming on Tinkercad. Ready to jump in? Secure your spot by filling out the Google Forms. The registration fee for the program is just rupees 700. The form link and registration details are attached to this video. Venue of our workshop will be online through Google Meet, and the registered candidates will get the links of meeting through email. For any queries or questions, you can reach us through WhatsApp and email. The details are mentioned in the description. Thank you.